Apologize. Meaning, to express regret for something that one has done wrong. Synonyms: say sorry, express regret, make amends. Sentence: I must apologize for being late to the meeting. Ton. Meaning, a unit of weight equal to 2,000 pounds in the US, short ton, or 2,240 pounds in the UK, long ton. Also used informally to denote a large amount. Synonyms: large amount, heap, load. Sentence: she has a ton of homework to finish tonight. Uncomfortable. Meaning, causing or feeling slight pain or physical discomfort. Synonyms: uneasy, awkward, uneasy. Sentence: the tight shoes made her feet feel very uncomfortable. Enthusiastic. Meaning, having or showing intense and eager enjoyment, interest, or approval. Synonyms: eager, excited, passionate. Sentence: he was enthusiastic about the new project at work. Jacket. Meaning, an outer garment extending either to the waist or the hips, typically having sleeves and a fastening down the front. Synonyms: coat, blazer, outerwear. Sentence: she wore a warm jacket on the chilly evening. Absolute. Meaning, not qualified or diminished in any way, total. Synonyms: complete, total, utter. Sentence: his dedication to the cause was absolute. Chairman. Meaning, the person in charge of a meeting or organization. Synonyms: chairperson, head, leader. Sentence: the chairman called the meeting to order. Suburb. Meaning, an outlying district of a city, especially a residential one. Synonyms: residential area, outskirts, periphery. Sentence: they moved to a quiet suburb to raise their children. Order. Meaning, a line separating two political or geographical areas, especially countries. Synonyms: boundary, frontier, edge. Sentence: the river forms the border between the two countries. Tag. Meaning, a label attached to someone or something for the purpose of identification or giving other information. Synonyms: label, marker, ticket. Sentence: he attached a name tag to his luggage. Clock. Meaning, a device for measuring and indicating time. Synonyms: timepiece, watch, timer. Sentence: she glanced at the clock and realized she was late. Track. Meaning: a rough path or road, typically one beaten by use rather than constructed. Synonyms: path, trail, route. Sentence: they followed the dirt track through the forest. Biography. Meaning: an account of someone's life written by someone else. Synonyms: life story, memoir, profile. Sentence: she wrote a biography about the famous artist. Pioneer. Meaning: a person who is among the first to explore or settle a new country or area. Synonyms: settler, trailblazer, innovator. Sentence: he was a pioneer in the field of computer science. Technique. Meaning: a way of carrying out a particular task, especially the execution or performance of an artistic work or scientific procedure. Synonyms: method, skill, procedure. Sentence: her technique in playing the piano is flawless. Ignorance. Meaning: lack of knowledge or information. Synonyms: unawareness, incomprehension, lack of knowledge. Sentence: his ignorance of the rules led to his disqualification. Strength. Meaning: the quality or state of being physically strong. Synonyms: power, force, might. Sentence: she showed great strength during the competition. Gallon. Meaning: a unit of liquid capacity equal to 4 quarts in particular. Synonyms: container, measure, capacity. Sentence: they bought a gallon of milk from the store. Pirate. Meaning: a person who attacks and robs ships at sea. Synonyms: buccaneer, corsair, freebooter. Sentence: the pirate ship was spotted on the horizon. Plant. Meaning: a living organism of the kind exemplified by trees, shrubs, herbs, grasses, ferns, and mosses, typically growing in a permanent site, absorbing water and inorganic substances through its roots, and synthesizing nutrients in its leaves by photosynthesis using the green pigment chlorophyll. Synonyms: flora, vegetation, greenery. Sentence: she decided to plant a garden in her backyard. And there you have it. 20 everyday words with their meanings, synonyms, and example sentences. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. See you in the next video where we'll explore even more amazing words in the English language.